Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, excuse my voice. I'm getting over a cold, so I sound like a man, but yeah. I just got my Jeffree Star package in the mail literally like 20 minutes ago. And I'm very excited to open it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and open it because the only thing I sneak and peek and saw was the mirror, the red mirror, because I don't have no self-control. But yeah, once you open it, it looks like this. Let me cover my address on the little paper, but it looks like that. I got 2 postcards. Well, first you get your little order receipt of everything you got. I got the holographic red makeup bag, the red hand mirror, the liquid lipstick in the shade Problematic, and the blood sugar palette, which is the thing that I'm excited about. And then you get, well, I got 2 postcards. Don't he look so glamorous? And like, look at the guy next to her. I mean, next to him. These look like, this material is pretty thick, so it makes a good collector's item. And then the first thing on top, it's the mirror. I love the packaging he used for the mirror. This is how the packaging for the mirror looks like. It has his Jeffree Star logo right there. And then once you open it, the mirror is nicely secure in this sponge-like material. It actually came like this, but I had it like that. But this is how the mirror looks. It's a good size. Like if I hold it like this, I could actually see my face and I could do my makeup. But this is how the mirror looks. The handle looks like this. It's real skinny and then it gets thicker. It has the Jeffree Star logo on the handle and the back and front. And then yeah, I don't want to blind y'all, but this is how it looks. But yeah, that was the first thing that I got. The rest of the items is in there. I'm gonna start with the lipstick. This is the packaging they use for the lipstick. This is the Love Sick collection, if I didn't mention before. And the colors he focused on were pinks and reds. And I just love this packaging he used. So they use wrapping paper, and on top of that they use bubble paper to secure your items. Here is the packaging for the liquid lipstick. It is so pretty. It looks kind of like a heart. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. I'm already in love with just the packaging, as you guys could tell. Again, the shade I got was Problematic, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, when you actually look at it you can see little hearts. Let's see if my camera's gonna pick it up. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it kind of looks like a heart. This is Problematic. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to swatch it. He came out with 3 other ones, but this is the one that called my name. It's like a fun berry tone. And then I'm gonna swatch it. I heard that some of his liquid lipsticks have a scent. Like some smell like candy and some have a strong scent. This one doesn't have the strong scent, so I'm thinking it smells like candy. But that's the shade I got. It's so pretty. I will try it on after I'm done with my eyes. So at the end of the video, you guys will see how it looks like on. But this is how it looks on the bottle. So back to the box. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the palette. I want to do the palette at the end, but the next thing I got was the holographic red makeup bag, and it came packaged in a plastic bag like this. So here is the makeup bag. I already took it out the wrapper it came in. In the front, you get a pocket which you could put like something you need easy access to, like you could put your lipsticks. Let me grab my lipstick. You could just stick it in there. The front has his Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. And then the actual zipper has his logo again with the star. The back, I thought this was a pocket too, but it's not. And then when you unzip it, in the inside you get another zipper, which I'm glad, because sometimes you have little items when you stick in here, like tweezers or a little mirror or something. And then the inside is pretty deep, so you could fit like, let's see if I can fit this. This is my Sony palette. Your Sony palette fits in here. My chocolate gold palette right here. Clover palette. You can fit a lot of palettes. So far, yeah, I have 3 palettes in there. And then my Modern Renaissance palette. So I have 4 palettes in there. This is how it looks. It's kind of snug, but they all fit. Now I'm gonna zip it up. So they all fit, and then you can stick like lipstick, eyeliners in the front. So it's, as you guys can see, it's a big size makeup bag. I actually have my Kylie makeup bag in here, right here. So in comparisons for size, this is how the Kylie one looks, and this is the Jeffree Star. So Kylie is kind of smaller than Jeffree Star's, and this one's longer, so you can fit more bulky items. Like I heard he can fit the Black Sugar palette, and that palette is actually real bulky. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how many palettes you can fit in here, so you guys know how big the actual makeup bag is. Now we're gonna unbox the Blood Sugar palette. Came wrapped like this in this pretty pink wrapping paper. They did a really good job boxing these items up. It came wrapped in a bubble wrap. And here's the palette. I was so excited. So as he explained in his video, the sleeve is like kind of like a VCR, like the old school movies. So it's just like you slide it up and down. On the side says Blood Sugar, and then the actual sleeve is white with red lettering. In the back it says stuff about the palette, like the ingredients. It lets you know it's a pressed pigment palette, and then it has Instagram and YouTube and all that information in the back. It lets you know that it's cruelty free. So this is a cruelty free brand. And then once you lift it up, you get the actual palette. And I'm smelling it because I've been watching reviews on this palette this whole like last week and a half. And they say it smells kind of like faux leather, because this is made out of faux leather. And you actually can smell it. This is how the bag looks. It's just simple and has again his website, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's made in the USA. His Instagram and YouTube information, and then the same stuff that had in the actual box. It has a 12-month life to this palette. And then here's the front. I love how it looks kind of like a suitcase, like an old school suitcase. That definitely the packaging is what sold me of the palette, but also the colors, the shades in here are real pretty. Are you guys ready to see it? I heard it's hard to open. It is kind of hard to open. I already saw it a little bit, but
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this palette. So pretty. And then the mirror is like a good size mirror. I like how it's, let me get closer. I like how it's elevated up, so you like the eyeshadows are like right there, like you can see them real good. And the inside, like you guys can see, it has like the first aid sign with his logo in the middle. It's so creative. He did such a good, like he did so good with this launch. I don't own, this is my first time ordering from his cosmetics company, and I'm very pleased. And then here are the shadows up close. These two at the end have different symbols than the other ones. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. But yeah, I'm sweating. That's how excited I am. But definitely, I know he sold out, but they have the pre-order up now. I'll link his stuff below if you guys want to order, because this is a definitely, like, even if you don't do makeup, like just for like a collector's item, this is a good palette because the packaging is gorgeous. It's so secure, so if you drop it, like you'll like it'll survive. So I think. And then not only that, but the shades that he picked for this palette is so pretty. I'll swatch one because I'm gonna record a tutorial using the palette next. So let's see. I'll swatch Root Canal, which is that purple, the purple shade right here. 1, 2. Look at that. It is so pigmented. I'll swatch it right here. Oh my gosh. I heard his mattes are so like buttery and blendable, and so far so good. It kind of matches Problematic. Well, here's Problematic, and this is Root Canal. So pretty. So that's the end of my unboxing. That is all I got. I got the palette, the makeup bag, the lipstick. That is all I got. I got those 4 items, and I definitely want to pick up his lip scrubs. They're $12. I just wasn't sure which one I wanted to get, and I didn't want them to sell out of this palette because he did sell out within 3 minutes. So I was taking too long picking one, so I just went with these items. But after reviewing his stuff a little bit more, I'm gonna see and go back to his website because he has a good bit of stuff. But yeah, that's all I got. If you guys want to see me use this palette, be on the lookout for that video because I'm about to record it right after this one. I hope you enjoy watching me unbox my first package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.